Hey, hello, good morning, guys, and this is Coding with Gautam. And guys, today I'm going to tell you how to code level Trojan Yeti. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, today in this level, I'm going to be covering array length, access properties, return statements, strings, variables, and I don't know where we cover vectors in this level, but this guy says vectors. But just let's get started. So let's go over this equipment check. All you need for this level is the boss star, the program application icon 4, and you may need a nice pair of glasses because we are going to go like at least 50 to 100 distance meter checking. So yep, after you have a nice pair of glasses, let's get started. So the goal for this level is to defeat the ogres. Okay, so let us read about what we'll do in this level so we have a better understanding what we are doing when we are coding. So some of our peasants were a weird Yeti and they'll transform soon. So what will happen is that, okay, so you see the peasants on our side. Right here you see all these peasants. Yeah, some of the peasants, 4 of them to be exact, are Yetis, and they will shapeshift into Yetis anytime now. And you want to demolish the ogre camp which is right beside you. You can do it with yourself and a sergeant because look at how many guys are over there. So that's why you're going to use the Yetis to do it for you. But you have to find the Yetis, get them to the camp before they transform and kill us all. And I'm just going to talk about the name a bit. You might be thinking, why did they call it Trojan Yeti? Because in the Trojan War, they sent a horse into like the Roman backgrounds, and the Romans thought they were a gift. And next then they took it, and then they looked like the peasants at first, but next then when they opened it, all the soldiers starting popping out. Same thing over here. We send peasants, they think that they're just peasants, and next then boom, they become Yetis, they're all dead. We win, they lose. So let us just go over the code a bit. Okay, so we have this function, find friend by name, and the argument we're checking here is name. And yep, so what do we do in this? We find the friends, all the friends we have. Then we find the range. We find each friend in the friends. Then if the friend ID is equal to the name, you return the friend which is equal to the name, or else you return none. So next then you have our sergeant, which is hero.find nearest in the hero.friends. So it's this guy, the soldier boy right here. Yep, so he's the sergeant. And he gives us a list, but it's very messy. We want to clean it and split it. So how do we do that? There are 2 commands which can help us do that. Split and trim. I talked about these in my last videos, so you could just go and check that out if you don't know what split and trim is. And yep, but just for now, I'm just gonna go for a brief explanation. What split does, it splits everything by the operator you give. If you give a comma, it'll split it by the comma. So the word behind the comma and after the comma will become 2 different things. So that's why they split all the things and you get words. But the bad part is that this is how the word will be. So if you have rob, and next then this is how it will be after you split it. Space, rob, space. So actually the length of rob in code should be 3, but it will be 5. This is hard for you to like check the length or do stuff in your coding. So that's why they created another command called trim. Using this method, you can trim off all the spaces so you only get the nice clean word rob. So after I went through this brief thing, let us see. So first we split it, and I've been talking about that. Then we take each name in the weird names list, and then we trim it, and then we take the Yeti and find the friend by name using the trim word. And next then you command the Yeti to move at 48. But If you don't understand what I'm doing in the move command, I explained this in my boss star guide. You could just go check that out and extend you could get like a simplified understanding. But I have a new version of understanding the move command. There are 3 questions you have to ask yourself when you are doing the move command. The first question is who? Who are you commanding? In this case, you're commanding the Yeti we found. And what are you commanding to do? You are commanding him to move, attack, or defend. But since we're going to move, we go to where. Where should he move? But if you keep attack or defend, you should keep who to defend or who to attack. And if you want him to move, you have to keep parentheses, or not parentheses. What do you call those? Apostrophes. Not apostrophes. Quotation marks. You keep quotation marks around X and Y because Python is very specific about that. They don't want things to get mixed up and look messy. And next then you just type 48, 48. And then you run it. And next then you see that there are 4 guys, and next then they move to the square. The warlock and the witch are like, hey guys, those are just peasants. Move 3, 2, 1. The magic becomes there. And then you can't see them because it's developing the picture. Now you can see them. Yep. So this is Trojan Yeti. And let us look at the submit. Okay, but thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And check out my channel. And yep. So let us look at this. Okay, yep, so this is Trojan Yeti. Thank you for watching. And yep, so I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you, and bye.